Imagine you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by sticky notes, to-do lists, and a cluttered whiteboard. You're trying to juggle multiple projects, deadlines, and tasks, and it's starting to feel overwhelming. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to organize everything in one place, accessible from anywhere, even your phone? That's where Trello comes in. But can you really use Trello on your phone? And if so, how does it work? Trello is a popular project management tool that's known for its simplicity and visual appeal. It uses a Kanban-style board system with cards, lists, and labels to help you organize and track your tasks. But can you use it on the go, or is it primarily a desktop tool? Answering the question, can I use Trello on my phone? Absolutely. Trello has a dedicated mobile app for both iOS and Android devices. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, with a similar interface to the desktop version. You can create new boards, add cards, move cards between lists, and even attach files directly from your phone. Demonstrating Trello on a phone. Here's a quick demo of how Trello works on a phone. First, you'll need to download the app from your device's app store. Once you've installed it, you can log into your Trello account or create a new one. From there, you can start creating boards and organizing your tasks. Let's create a new board called Personal Projects. We can add lists like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Now, let's add a card for Write Blog Post. We can add a due date, assign it to ourselves, and even add a checklist to break down the task into smaller steps. Benefits of using Trello on a phone. Using Trello on your phone has several benefits. First, it allows you to stay organized and on top of your tasks no matter where you are. Whether you're commuting, waiting for an appointment, or simply taking a break, you can easily check your Trello boards and make updates. Second, Trello's mobile app makes it easy to collaborate with others. You can share boards with team members, assign tasks, and leave comments. This is especially helpful for remote teams or projects that involve multiple people. Third, Trello's mobile app integrates with other popular apps like Google Calendar and Dropbox. This means you can easily sync your Trello tasks with your calendar and attach files to your cards. Addressing potential concerns. While Trello's mobile app is a great tool, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the app's features may be slightly limited compared to the desktop version. For example, you may not be able to create custom power-ups or use certain advanced features. Second, using Trello on a smaller screen can be a challenge. While the app is designed to be user-friendly, you may find it difficult to see all the information you need on a smaller screen. However, Trello offers a variety of customization options to help you optimize the app for your phone. So, can you use Trello on your phone? Absolutely. Trello's mobile app is a powerful tool that can help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to get more done, Trello is a great option. If you're not already using Trello, I highly recommend giving it a try. You can download the app for free from your device's app store. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.